This is the GPS relay. It has 5 wires, and the red and black is for power. The orange one is for engine detection, and the blue and green is for engine cut. This is a remote. It has 4 buttons: arm, disarm, SOS, and the beeper buzzer inside the device. This is a main device. So to open it, we will have to use a small screw to insert here and pull it out slowly. So later we will take the device out like this. So this is a device. Here we can see this is a remote control antenna. This is a backup battery, and this is a relay inside. This is a real relay inside. And this side, this is a microphone for voice monitoring. This is the same slot. This is a signal light. Now we have power on the device with black and red. So you can see the lights flashing. And these are the 2 wires for engine cut. Here, this is the light. We use the light as the engine. So we cut off the power side. You can see this is a red wire. We cut it off. And we collect one side to the blue wire and the other cut point to the green wire. Now the light is on again. Now the device has been collected, so we can press the button on the remote controller. This is arm button. We press it for 3 seconds. So the relay will work and turn off the lights, and we press the disarm button for 3 seconds. The light will be on, and this is the silent control because inside the device there is a buzzer, so we press it. It will make a sound, and press this button to catch it. And then don't press this button for 3 seconds. It will call the preset phone numbers. Also, the device supports ACC on alarm, ACC off alarm, and power cut-off alarm. Here we have set the center number, and then power on alarm, ACC on alarm, ACC off alarm. After trigger, here we can see ACC off alarm, ACC on alarm, and the power alarm. As for monitor, after we send this command and we call the device will auto answer it, so we can monitor voice around it. And this is to set the SOS number. So if we press the button, it will call these numbers.